Algebra I Honors, Lesson 7.5, Solving Systems of Inequalities. So, how do we find the quote-unquote solution to the following equations? Well, we started this with graphing, so it always goes back to that. So let's put 1 in green. And we're looking at y is greater than negative x minus 2. Down 2, down 1 over 1. I'm going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, get my intercepts. Now this greater than says make the line dotted. This greater than, because it's not greater than or equal, greater than means shade above it. You've probably been taught, no, we have to check a point, put in 0 and see if it works. 0 is greater than negative 2, it works, that's fine. I'm an above and below shading kind of person. It just really is much easier. Do this one in blue. It's less than or equal, so solid line. And it's less than, so I'll shade below. Y is less than or equal to 3x plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can't really go up, so I'll go down, down. Got my intercepts, solid line. And this causes chaos, people. I don't see below. I do. It's below. Well, I got to test a point. Fine, go ahead and test a point. 0 should work. Is 0 less than 6? It is. This is our actual solution here. Got to find the highlighter. So that's the solution. Now, when you get to Algebra 2, you'll care more about what's going on at the intersections in something called linear programming. But for our purposes, we're just actually saying, yeah, you know what? You can actually just graph these and see what's going on. And if I really wanted to know where the point intersected, I would solve probably with elimination or substitution, and then I'd label the point. For example, let's imagine I solved this with substitution or elimination, and I came up with negative 2, 0. I would check, negative 2 minus 2 is 0, good. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0, and I would hopefully do a better job than that. Negative 2 comma 0. So here's another one. It's problematic for a lot of people because we have y equals and x equals kind of lines. They're not very good at that. Y is greater than or equal to negative 1. So here's negative 1. This means a solid line right there. And now what I typically do for these is put little arrows saying I'm shading above. As you probably saw in the last one, it gets a little busy. And let's go with orange for the fun of it. X is greater than negative 2. 1, 2, negative 2. Dotted in. Arrows this way. And this one I cannot graph right now because it's not in a nice, easy form that I know how to graph it. So, less than or equal to negative 1/2 x plus 2. Down 1 over 2 over 2. Solid line. Shade below. Looking at all my arrows, that's this area in here. If I'm asking for points, I'd have to guesstimate. This looks like -2. That's not a guess. It looks like 1, 2, 3. Let me check if that works. It does. 3. This is -2, -1, because that's the two lines that are intersecting. This is something -1. It looks like 6, -1. Let me check if that works. 6 minus 2 is 4. So those are my points if I need them. I never said you needed them. So if you didn't do them, you would not be wrong. But I'm just being thorough. And yeah, that's it. Shade, graph, tie it all together. Good luck getting to work, and as always, happy mathing.